Sa video na to, ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin ng Helium-10 para mahanap yung trending products bago pa sila maging viral. So you can launch smarter and stay ahead of the curve. Hi guys, ako si Ashley. Kung feeling mo laging huli ka na sa product trends, bagay sa itong video na to kasi madalas pag nalaman ng karamihan ng isang trending product, sobrang saturated na agad. Pero gamit ang right tools at ilang simpleng workflows, pwede ka mauna sa competition at isa sa unang makadiscover ng new demands. Ipapakita ko step by step kung paano gawin yan with Helium-10. We're gonna dive into how to look at key trends, how to read the data, at marami pang iba. So sige, simulan na natin. Una, ano ba ang Helium-10? If you're new to the platform, basically isa ito sa top na all-in-one software for Amazon sellers at e-commerce entrepreneurs. Madalas ginagamit siya for keyword research o product launch tools. Pero dito ang focus natin ay sa trend detection. Dito mo makikita kung alin yung products na nagsisimula ng tumaas ang demand in real time bago masaturate yung niche. Kinukuha niya yung insights galing sa Amazon search volume, product listings, keyword movements, seasonality, patterns, at marami pang iba. Ang laking tulong nito para alam mo kung ano yung dapat ibenta at kailangan yung perfect time para mag-launch. At kahit ginawa to mainly for Amazon FBA sellers, malaking tulong din yung research nito for Shopify sellers, dropshippers, at print-on-demand brands kasi it all starts with finding products people are searching for. Bakit mahalaga ang trend detection? Aminin natin, karamihan sa tao nagla-launch lang ng products after they've seen them blowing up on TikTok or trending on Amazon's bestseller list. Pero by then, it's usually too late. Dito pumapasok yung trend detection. Tinutulungan ka nitong mauna sa wave para ikaw yung early to market, not just copying what's already working. So, mas malaki yung chance mo to build margin lock in better suppliers, test creative ad angles, and establish authority sa isang niche before it gets flooded with competition. At kahit hindi ka nagbebenta sa Amazon, malaking bagay na makita agad yung rising trends kasi makaka-respond ka ng mas mabilis, whether gumawa ng TikTok organic strategy, mag-grab ng trending keywords, o i-position yung product mo para makasabay sa seasonal spike. So ngayon, check natin yung tools sa Helium-10 na makakatulong para magawa mo to. Maraming features dito na useful para makahanap at ma-validate yung trends, pero i-share ko muna yung pinaka-useful ones. After nun, lipat tayo sa screen share para makita mo mismo kung paano gumagana. Unang tool ay Black Box, a product research tool. Isa to sa pinaka-powerful na features ng Helium-10. Pwede mong i-filter yung Amazon product catalog gamit ang specific criteria tulad ng number of sales, monthly revenue, competition level, at pati kung gaano kabilis lumago yung product. Pwede mag-search gamit ang keyword, category, tapos i-sort by growth rate para makita yung products na nagsisimula mag-gain ng traction but haven't exploded yet. Perfect tong starting point kung gusto mo makadiscover ng unexpected winners. Pangalawa ay Trendsetter, isang trend visualization tool. Dito pwedeng i-analyze visually yung keyword search volume over time. Kunwari may product idea ka, ilalagay lang yung keyword tapos makikita mo kung tuloy-tuloy ba yung growth o baka random spike lang. Nakakatulong to para maiwasan yung trap na habulin yung products na saglit lang sumikat tapos biglang nawawala. Pwede rin mag-layer ng multiple keywords which is helpful kung gusto mong i-compare kung seasonal ba o evergreen yung trend. Pangatlo ay yung Amazon search volume history with Magnet and Cerebro. Kapag nag-keyword research ka dito, pwedeng i-click para makita yung trend line ng search volume ng bawat keyword. Dito mo malalaman how often people are searching for that phrase over time, whether it's trending up or fading out. Ang ganda nitong tool kung gusto mong mag-double check kung solid ba talaga yung product-related keyword at siguradong may growth sa demand, hindi yung pa-decline na. Pang-apat ay keyword movement, aka keyword tracker. Kung may products ka na minomonitor, pwede nitong ipakita kung paano gumagalaw sa rankings yung listings mo o yung sa competitors. Kapag may nakita kang product that is climbing quickly across multiple keywords, is usually a sign that something's heating up. Pwede rin tong gamitin to watch the space before jumping in para ma-plan mo ng maayos yung timing o content based on when the data shows traction. Okay, so now step by step kung paano gamitin ng Helium-10. If you want to get started with Helium-10, I've left our exclusive link in the description and you can follow along. At kung gagamitin mo yung link na, makasave ka pa ng 20% off sa first 6 months. Kaya kung balak mo mag-sign up, siguraduhin i-click yung link sa baba. Pag nakapili ka na ng plan, ilagay mo yung pangalan mo, email, password, at syempre, yung payment info. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung pricing in detail. Pero for now, take note na may ways pa para makakuha ng bigger discount. Pag nakapasok ka na, ganito yung itsura ng dashboard. Dito sa taas, makikita mo yung tools, which is where we are going to live and which I'm gonna tell you about. Meron ding profits tab, tapos may follow-up, Helium-10 ads, manage refund service, and TikTok, which is new. Sa side naman yung dashboard, may products, competitors, and insights. Kailangan lang i-connect yung Amazon seller account mo para ma-access yung karamihan ng info dito. So, una maghahanap ng trending product sa isang niche, like fitness, pet care, o kahit ano. Punta tayo sa tools, tapos piliin natin yung black box. Dito magsa-search tayo. Dito tayo magsa-search. Stay tayo under products, tapos pumili ng niche. For example, fitness. Kahit anong niche ang target mo, make sure lang na piliin mo mo dito para ma-filter yung search. So, ayan, nakaselect na siya. So, you can say that needs a little bit of improvement, some improvement, or a lot of improvement. After nun, piliin rin natin yung target. Competition na low, medium, or high. Dito, piliin natin yung low. You want to sell your product for maybe $30 to $100 with a monthly revenue of 1 to 10K. Okay, search na natin. Ngayon, makikita mo na yung products generating real sales. Mapapansin mo rin na karamihan sa kanila, less than 200 lang yung reviews. Ibig sabihin, nakakabenta na sila ng malaki pero hindi pa sila sobrang saturated. So, ayan, makikita mo dito yung Smart Ring Health Tracker. It's $39.99. Kita mo rin yung reviews. Meron ding pool pack, exercise equipment, exercise ball, at chair for office. Tapos, kung mapapansin mo, may isa pang smart ring. Pwede itong isort based sa reviews, seller, o halos kahit anong info sa list. Makikita mo din yung bestseller rank. Ang daming rings dito. Rings, watches. Okay, so it just gives you so much good information. Next step, gamitin natin yung Trendster para ma-avail yung trend. Kailangan mo mag-upgrade para ma-access to. I-click mo lang yung ilang interesting product keywords at ilagay sila sa Trendster. Dito makikita mo yung patterns like steady growth over the last 6 to 12 months, spikes during seasonal periods para ma-plan mo kung kailan ka gagawa o mag-launch. Dapat minimal lang ang drop-off. You want upwards or stable trends, not boom and bust cycles. Pwede rin i-compare side by side yung similar keywords to see which one is showing stronger growth. Sunod naman ay gamitin yung Magnet o Cerebro para i-check yung keyword volume. Punta lang sa Cerebro, i-click dito sa favorites o pumunta sa keyword research. Kapag may nakita kang keyword na trending up, buksan yung Magnet o Cerebro at i-run yung search gamit yung keyword na yun. You wanna look for monthly search volume over 2,000 rising trends in search gap at yung related keywords na nagpapakita rin ng similar growth. This just helps you validate that there is real customer interest, hindi lang one-off product doing well. Ang last step, i-track yung competitors o keywords over time. Para makita kung gaano kabilis lumaki yung trend, gamitin yung keyword tracker para i-follow yung ASINs o search terms para pagbalik mo after a week or two, makikita mo kung paano nagbabago yung rankings and decide when the time is right to jump in. Bonus tip, how to validate a trend bago mag-launch. Trend data is great, pero huwag kalimutang i-gut check bago ka mag-commit. Here are a few things to do once you spot something interesting. I-search mo sa TikTok para makita kung may creators na nagsisimulang mag-post dito. I-check mo rin sa Google Trends to confirm broader interest outside of Amazon. Tignan kung ilan yung sellers na nag-offer ng products na yon. Kung sobrang dami na, baka hindi na worth it pumasok. Pwede ka mag-test ng simple landing page o ad gamit lang picture at offer para makita kung nagkiklik. Kung dropshipping naman, i-check mo sa platforms like Zendrop or Spocket kung available na at kung ano yung magiging margin mo. The goal is to move fast but not blind. Yung trend detection tools ng Helium 10 sobrang useful lalo na for e-commerce sellers who wanna stay ahead of the curve. Kung Amazon FBA seller ka or trying to stay competitive in niche markets, malaking tulong to para ma-identify yung products na papasikat pa lang bago maging oversaturated. Para naman sa Shopify store owners, ang Helium 10 ay solid na resource para mag-search kung anong products yung best to launch next, lalo na kung gusto mo mag-build around current demand at hindi manghula. Valuable din to for dropshippers na gusto munang mag-test ng product ideas bago mag-commit fully. Spotting a trend early can mean the difference between being first market and plan and catch up. Kung may print-on-demand store ka, makakatulong yung tools para ma-identify yung bagong themes, categories, o seasonal topics you can design around. Para naman sa content creators o affiliate marketers, Helium 10 can surface product ideas that are just starting to gain attention. Kaya mas madali mong matie-in with offers na may mataas na potential. Kung nasa e-commerce ka at timing, ang priority mo, isa to sa best ways para laging mauna sa game. Bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko lang i-share yung iba't ibang plans and pricing options. The link is below if you wanna look in-depth into this. So may dalawang options. Pwede kang makakuha ng 20% off sa first 6 months mo o kaya 10% off every month for life kung gagamitin mo yung link namin below. Huwag kalimutan ilagay yung Ecom Mastery 20 o Ecom Mastery 10 sa checkout. So, yung Diamond Plan ay $223 per month, billed monthly, at kasama na yung discount. Dito makikita mo lahat ng features na kasama sa plan na to. Meron ding Platinum Plan na $79 per month, billed monthly, and this is everything for building a business. Pwede ka magsimula sa Platinum, tapos mag-upgrade na lang later kung ano yung pinaka-best for you. Plus, may risk-free 7-day money-back guarantee ang Helium 10. So, kung after 1 week feeling mo hindi siya fit sa workflow mo, pwede kang makapag-refund to get your money back. That's a wrap for today's video. video. That's how to use Helium 10 to spot trending products bago pa sila maging viral at magamit yung data for smarter product decisions. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay na makita sa TikTok o Amazon bestseller list to know what's hot. With the right filters, tools, and a little testing, pwede ka mauna sa wave at makasabay sa demand before it spikes again. Kung gusto mong i-try yung Helium 10, makakuha ka ng best price, gamitin mo lang yung link namin sa baba. Note ko lang na affiliate links to ha. Ibig sabihin makakuha kami ng maliit na commission pero wala na mga extra costs to you. Kaya kung gagamitin mo yung link namin, sobrang thank you in advance. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you find the best tools, templates, strategies to build an e-commerce business smarter, not harder. Huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa baba. We'd love to hear from you. Maraming salamat sa pananood. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.